So welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick upcycle video on some of the things that I will be upcycling for a new collection that I'm making. I'm starting off with this bag that I got a while ago, and I'm going to clean it out as much as possible and fix some of this tearing in the leather. And I did a sketch right here that you can see of some ideas that I want to do with that. So I'm going to do it. This is kind of the before and after type of video, and I hope you enjoy. So like I said before, this is the sketch that I want to do. So I want to basically add a fabric up here and then a denim patch kind of design at the bottom. Originally I wanted to do some type of tie-dye effect, but I think I just want to leave it as like a patchwork on this part right here and then add fabric on this. I'm going to try to sew it first, hand sew it first, but I don't know, the fabric is pretty thick, so I might have to glue it with like a hot glue gun. But we will see. This bag, I don't know, it's my bag. I don't know if I want to sell it or not, honestly, but this is kind of like the tester, and if it goes well, then I'm definitely going to make more of these bags. And also, if you're interested in have a bag or shoes or anything yourself and want me to upcycle it, just let me know and I'll let you know how to do so at the end of the video. So I decided not to use this on the front. Instead, I'm going to use it as the lining inside, which I think would be really, really cool. And on the front, I'm going to stick with the denim patch. I did do the top stitch on here to keep this down, as well as I stitched this to make it like ruffle appeal right here. But a lot of the other stuff I glued it. I think it's the best way and the easiest way to keep this on. Using a needle with the embroidery thread works, but it takes a really long time and it's really hard. And so yeah, I just thought it would be easier to glue it. But this is my update, so we'll see the
Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you guys the finished product of the bag that I was doing. If you saw the original bag, it was an old leather brown bag, and it was distressed and it was like peeling, the leather was peeling and everything. So this is the finished product. I made it into a patched denim bag, and then I used the lining of the candy inside, which I think is really cute. And I made it more of a clutch type of bag because I don't have a lot of clutch bags, but I also added this chain. This was actually a bracelet and the bracelet broke, so I made it into like the chain or the parts you can hold it. So you can hold it like this, or you can tuck it in like so and just wear it as a clutch. So if you want me to create any pieces for you, whether it's alterations, repairs, or to just spruce up any old items that you may have coming around, laying around, be sure to email me at bykianabutler@gmail.com, or you can go to the information that will be in the info box, which is my website and my email where you can contact me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to do more videos like this, but I just wanted to show you the end product, and I hope you enjoyed. Peace.